Hello viewers, welcome back to this course. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the basic navigation commands. That is the commands that will enable you to navigate around the directories or folders of your system. So let me clear the screen. So this clear command will actually clear the screen. Okay, it will clear the content of the screen. I press enter, it clears the content of the screen. Now the first command we are going to look at is pwd. The pwd stands for print working directory. Okay, so if you want to get the help for this pwd, what you need to do is to type --help. So if you want to get the help about this command and how to use it, so you can just type pwd --help, and if I press enter now, you can see that this command pwd print the name of the current working directory. Okay, and you can see the flag. You can other options you can add, that is flags you can add as well. Okay, let me just type it like this, pwd, and press enter. Do you see it return the current working directory? And I am on the desktop. Remember, when I open the terminal, if I close the terminal and right click and click open in terminal, I'm actually opening the desktop in the terminal. Here is it. So if I press wd print working directory, you can see it print the directory where I am. If I want to see the files and folders that are available in this directory, I can use the ls. Okay, if you want to get the help for ls, you can just put ls --help so that you can get the help for this ls and know what it can do. So let me press enter. You can see that the ls command is used to list information about the files. Okay, the current directory by default, it lists the information about the files and folders that are available in the current directory. That is the default behavior of the ls. Okay, then you can see other flags you can add, -a or the long --all. It means that do not ignore entry starting with dot. Okay, and this dot signify the hidden files. Okay, so that is what it means. You can read about other flags you can include, guys, but the most commonly used one is -a, and you can also read about other ones as well. Let me clear the screen. I clear the screen, and if I do ls now you can see that it lists the files and folders that are available on the desktop. Okay, I have two screens, so it will show all the files and folders that are available in my desktop. Now if you look at the files that are listed here, these ones with the white means a file. That is the file that are available in that directory. So they are represented by this white color. Then the ones with the green color here means a link. You can see it added .link. You can see it added .link to all the link, that is the shortcut to a file. Now, and the ones with the blue color here with slash means directory. Yeah, this one is a directory. This is a directory. So the ones with blue color and with slash means directory. Okay, if I do ls-a, so ls-a means that list all the files and folders including the hidden ones. If I press enter, so it is now listing all the hidden files. Okay, you will get to understand it better. Okay, let me clear the screen. If you want to view the detailed list of the files and folders, you type ls-l. Okay, and now it is now showing us the detailed list including the permissions for each of these files. Okay, let me clear the screen. If I do ls, if you want to view all the files and also the detail list at the same time, instead of saying a-l, so you can do it like this and get the same result. Now it is showing us the list of all the files, including the hidden files, and also showing us the detail. Okay, but the shortcut, you can do ls-al. Okay, means that you just combine the flag and append one dash. If I press enter, I get the same result. You can also change the order. Let me clear the screen. If I do ls dash LA, okay, so you can also change the order and get the same result as well, like this. So you need to read the documentation to know the one that you need. The order doesn't matter. Okay, so when you read the documentation, you are going to know the flag where the order doesn't matter, just like this one. Can interchange the order and still get the same result. That is the function of ls, guys, to list files and directory that is available in the particular directory. Thank you for watching this video.